good to see. No late lane changes here.
Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. In this video, you can see my point of view or POV from the car driver's position. I will be showing you my POV setup later in this video and will showcase the technology in more detail in my future videos. So please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.
Oh, there was a late lane changer. Just missed it.
Now, the reason I'm showing you this is because I enjoy watching the channel Mick Drives Cars. But I was seriously shocked when Mick recently revealed his POV setup. From the image, you can see Mick attaches an action camera to his baseball cap. Effectively, he positions the action cam in between his eyes. Now, just as an experiment, to see what this is like, make your hand into a fist and then place your fist between your eyes and look ahead. Now, imagine driving with that view. Yes, I admit that you will have forward vision, but you will also always have some obstruction in the middle of your vision. From a safety perspective, I really would not recommend doing this. Please do not position an action camera in between your eyes. On Mick's channel, some viewers have suggested using a head strap for his action cam, but Mick dismisses this because the action cam sits relatively higher on his head and he says this doesn't give a true POV. My suggestion is simply use a pair of smart glasses. That's what I do, and this video that you're seeing is the type of POV that you will get using the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. So that's my POV setup. Please like and subscribe and watch out for my future videos about the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, where I will give you my pros and cons about them. I will also tell you a shocking story about how not to buy them.
It's good to see. No late lane changes here. Oh, there was a late lane changer. Just missed it.
So that's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay safe.